What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number one priority, and today I'm going to put to the test 5 camping gadgets. Let's see what I got. For the first camping gadget I got here a microcord dispenser. It was sent by Dale Atwood, my brother, and he asked me if I want to put it to the test, and I was like, why not? Let's open it up and see what it's all about. Boom, check this out. The microcord is already there. There you go. Look how easy it is to take it out, and all we have to do is go like this and boom, cut a piece. Okay, 100 pounds test of 45 kilogram, and then it's at 100 pounds it will break. 125 feet, that's a lot of microcord. So what you're going to do is put this into your belt or into your pants, and there is a cord right here, ready to go at any time. So a while back on my second channel I showed you how to build a tripod for camping, tripod for cooking or whatever. You put 3 sticks similar size, length, and you set them up like that, and then you get yourself your microcord, and look how well that is. It's still attached to your pants, and that way you can just wrap it around, pull out as much as you need, and just make bunch of knots. And I like how this other end's still attached to my microcord dispenser, and when I'm happy with it I can just cut off a piece and then we'll just make a knot. Right here. And that microcord, again, test at 100 pounds, it can withhold up to 100 pounds before it breaks. So I can make bunch of knots, and boom, look at that. With that microcord I set up my camping cooking tripod really easily and really fast. Of course you can use a rope to set up a tent with a tarp and many things. A great idea. You have 125 feet of rope right next to your pocket, not even in your pockets, it sits on your belt. Super awesome. Having a camping chair is very important. Let's see what this thing is all about. I put to the test something like that before into my camping gadgets, and this is similar but not the same. Remember those blow up mattresses that looks like a banana that you lay in? Well, this right here is actually a little couch. Let's see if it will be enough air right here. I think I can do better. And check this out, you got yourself a little sofa to go camping with. I wonder what this is about. Oh cool, it's a little blanket that goes on top of it. Wow, check this out, and you can just take off this piece and wash it. How cool is that? I feel like I need to put more air into it. There you go. It's extremely helpful when it's windy a little bit. Wow, this is definitely good. I caught a bit of wind, and wow, look at that. This is gonna be really inflated very well. Probably won't go even tighter, and boom, plug it in and you got yourself inflatable sofa. A lot of times when you go camping, those folding chairs are so uncomfortable, and you sit by the fire, you get tired of sitting like that. But if you have one of these inflatable sofas, oh my gosh, I can go camping and relax like this anytime. Wow, honestly this is even more comfortable than the first design that looks like a banana, especially for tall people. I'm 6'7", and as you can see I'm very comfortable with this thing, and it is very easy to put together and take it apart, and it's small piece. You're not actually bringing a giant couch with you or a giant chair with you, because those folding chairs are pretty heavy. This is light and it's bigger than a folding chair and more comfortable. Love it. So I can sit by the fire, hang out, eat, sit like that. Wow, huge thumbs up for me for this camping gadget. This is probably the best one in a while that I put to the test. That's insane how comfortable that is. I don't want to get up. But anyways, we probably got a good thumbnail. Now what we're going to do is deflate it. Unplug this right here and untwist it. And look how big of a hole that is. So deflation, so is inflation. Makes it really easy. Let's see how hard it is to fold it up. Usually those inflating mattresses, so hard to fold them and put them back into the baggie that it comes with. So let's say I'll just fold it up like this. Very easy. Get air out while I'm folding. Let's see if it fits easily back into this baggie that it comes with. Wow, no way. Super easy. Love it. You know what? Next time I'm going to the beach, I'm bringing this with me. So easy to set it up and break it apart. For this gadget, we got here camping shovel. Okay, let's see what it got. Oh, what is this? It has a screwdriver right here, a little rubber piece, USB charger, looks like for Android. I have an Apple, but it's probably also a USB charger for the actual flashlight inside there. Power cord comes with it. Very nice, extra bonuses stuff. A little pocket chainsaw, a really cheap one. I don't really like this kind, but it comes with it, why not? Okay, let's open it up, the main gadget inside here. Sweet, everything wrapped up so well. Let's see. Whoa, is that what I think it is? I think it's a signal for the flashlight. Let me show you in a second. First of all, which is very important, a shovel. When you go camping, you better have a shovel, because when you go to the bathroom, it will be a lot easier to do your business and not worry about stepping it. Just dig a little hole and then do your business and cover it up, so that way nobody have to step in it or smell it around the camp. Even if you go far somewhere, what if somebody else go the same place and you don't want to step in your business or anybody's business? This one looks like a magnet. Nice. I guess it's like you can set it up on a car or wherever to have a flashlight. Does it come with the batteries? Before use, please remove the battery insulation cap. Oh, okay, so that way when it's being stored, you're not wasting it. And there you go, this is a big rechargeable battery. There you go, and there's a flashlight. A brighter and flashing. You kind of gotta hold it to get it going. And right here, this little lights light up blue, tells you how charged is your flashlight. Love it. See what else we got here. We got here a knife. Whoa, very nice knife. Looks like a really thick knife. There is a saw on the other side. Don't think I'll ever use a saw, not even for the small sticks. Might as well break a small sticks, but nevertheless really cool. Comes with a little cover. Boom. What is this? Let's find out. Okay, this is the screwdriver. That's why it comes with a little separate container, so that way you can put in your screwdriver like that. Very nice. Obviously, I guess you put the knife inside here, because this is empty, the screwdriver. And then the shovel probably gonna go inside here. It's already a long shovel handle. I don't even need extra piece, but for fun, let's look at it. What else is in here? Boom, nice fire starter. And all you have to do is use a knife to strike it and start the fire. Oh, by the way, let me show you what this is about. You put the cap on, screw it on, so that way it sits well in there. And then when you turn it on, this whole thing will illuminate. So that way it's like a signal which way to go. And the white one is more like a lantern, I guess. But also could be like a signal. Very cool. I put to the test camping shovel before. It was just like that, but a lot different. It also didn't have a flashlight. So now you know there's more than one, and you can pick which one do you like better. For the next camping gadget, I got here a rinse kit. Next time you're going camping, going to the beach, or even fishing, bring yourself a rinse kit. So if you're catching a fish, you can rinse off all the stuff that comes off of the fish. And also it comes with a ruler right here, up to 13 inches looks like, which is awesome. Also, if you're going to the beach, you're going to have sand. You can wash yourself off from the sand. And of course, if you're going camping, you might get in the mud. You can rinse yourself off from the mud before you go in the car. Also, if you're camping out for a long time and you don't have a spigot anywhere, but you have water source in the river or in a stream, there is a rinse kit, refill kit. It's also pressurized the water inside of here. This is a drain plug. You don't have to worry about it unless you want to drain it. But how do we refill this rinse kit? All you have to do is pull like this and the whole shower head will come off. What I did is took this piece and screw it on, put it in and lock it in. Nice. And then we're going to run it for 20 seconds. I just got a timer right here. Take this off. Also, this plug, we can take it off from the hose and put it in here. For some reason I can hear it's losing pressure inside of the drain valve. That's not good, because if you lose pressure it won't work as a shower head. Okay, there's a mist spray. This one you can conserve the water, but it can spray a lot longer. This one don't work. And this one, I have no idea why, but it's just losing pressure right here on the bottom over here. Kind of frustrating. I don't know, what am I doing wrong, or is it just too complicated? Honestly, I have seen way better camping showers than this, because look, this thing is full of water, but for some reason it just lost all the pressure. I have no idea. Maybe it works for somebody else, but so far I don't like it. And for the next camping gadget, I got here two cool fire starter design I never seen before. This is how it works. You untwist it like this, boom, and you got a striker right here. Then you untwist this part and you got yourself a little striker right here. Look how well it strikes. Okay, got some coconut husk right here, and boom, one strike and it slides up. Definitely put some coconut husk with these fire strikers, and then all you have to do is screw it back up like this and screw this steel back up. Boom, ready to go. And for the next fire striker, this is also a really cool design. What you do is push through this little steel, and look how much space you have. Scrape off some of that black part. What I really love about this striker, you can easily make shavings. Look at that. Those are the shavings for sparking. Awesome. So you can start the fire really easily. And if you have coconut husk, one strike and boom. Besides having a really cool design, they still go inside of your striker. The quality of the striker is also amazing. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know in comments below which gadget was your favorite. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, and I'll see you next time.